Hey there, future nurse. My name is Dr. Jamie Adam. I'm a nurse practitioner, professor, wife, and busy mother of 3. I know you feel like you're drowning. I've read all your Facebook posts and loved every Instagram. Your sudden shift to online classes and virtual clinicals has thrown a pandemic-sized wrench into getting your degree. Whatever stress you felt before the quarantine is only getting higher. In one of the hardest majors, you're practically having to teach yourself, and you're not sure where to begin or what comes after that. So I'm here to help. I'm here to give you a plan of action that will take you step by step through a system. I will teach you the life-changing strategies that have helped over 5,000 of my students become nurses. And if you follow this plan, I personally guarantee you will too. Can I be real for a minute? Although I love being a nurse now, I hated nursing school. I was used to getting straight A's in high school, so when I got my first F, I was shocked. I wanted to blame it on ridiculously hard tests, my professor's teaching style, or just the anonymity of being in large classes. I felt very alone in my nursing degree. The stress and anxiety I felt every day in nursing school was overwhelming. I didn't feel like I could ever celebrate or stop worrying. So why am I telling you this? Because I don't want this to be your story. Can I ask you a few questions? When you think about nursing school, is it just what you imagined? Are you loving your class and your clinicals? How about those grades? Do you feel like the sacrifices you're making are getting you the grades you deserve? What if you could experience all of nursing school with less stress and higher grades, with total confidence and less studying? These strategies are so effective, they're guaranteed to change your life, even in an online nursing program. So let me lay out your plan of action. I'd love to tell you about the secrets to mastering nursing school, a step-by-step guide to success in nursing school with total confidence, higher grades, less stress, and less studying. So I've created something that I believe will really help you. It will meet you where you're at, and it'll go with you from this semester on to next semester until you complete this nursing degree. I'm going to walk you through each of these modules and tell you what this will do for you. In Module 1, Secrets to Stress-Free Studying, I'm going to show you exactly how to study, how to maximize your brain space. I'm sure you're already feeling like it's completely full. How could you possibly fit any more inside your brain? I'm going to show you how to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it well. I'm going to show you how to master assigned readings. I mean, when I assign my students 100 pages to read, I know there is no way they're going to read that many pages. You know why? Because I know my class isn't the only one they're taking. They're taking all these other classes, and if you put it all together, what would that be? Like 1,000 pages every week to read? Absolutely not going to happen. So I'm going to show you how to narrow it down from 100 pages to just a few pages. You're going to know exactly what to read before you go to class. I'm going to help you master lecture notes. If you don't have the right information, it's going to be really hard to study. So I'm going to show you exactly how to take notes, which things are important in your lecture, how to keep in mind some of those little hidden clues, those little hidden gems that show up later on your next nursing exam. I'm going to show you what to watch for with that. I'm going to show you exactly how to focus in on those lecture notes. We're going to talk about learning styles. I don't know what your learning style is, but I wonder if it's the kind of learning style that will get you an A. And if it's not, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to adapt your learning style to get an A. And then I'm going to share with you some stories of students that went from failures to A's. I don't know whether you're getting A's or B's or skimming the line, or maybe you feel hopeless because you're just under that passing average. I'm going to show you how to get to that next A. Module 1 is going to show you exactly what you need to do, the secrets to stress-free studying. In Module 2, Secrets to Concept Mapping, I'm going to show you the world of concept mapping and what this can do for you. Now, this isn't the kind of concept mapping that you may have used in clinicals. This is a different kind of concept map. The idea is you're taking those lecture notes, you're pulling them back together on one page. but I'm going to show you exactly why this is so important. This was the way the information was supposed to come to you in the first place, and all we're doing is putting it back together in its original form. It's going to totally change the way you study. Not only that, but I'm going to give you examples. At the end of this module, you're going to know what a concept map looks like that will get you an A. You'll know what a concept map that looks like that gets you a B. You'll know what a C concept map looks like, and you'll know what a D or failing concept map looks like, so that you'll know exactly whether your concept maps are the way they need to be to get that A that you're looking for. You're not going to have any question about whether you're studying the right way. You're going to know exactly how to create a concept map that's going to be a winning concept map that's going to get you an A on that next test. So in Module 2, you're going to learn the secrets to concept mapping. In Module 3, you're going to learn the secrets to confident test taking. I know test taking is awful, and so often students will say to me, I felt so confident going in. How could I possibly have done so poorly? Never again. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so you can be confident in your test taking. You're going to know whether you're ready before you ever sit down to take that test. No longer do you have to be worried you've done all the right things. Part of knowing whether you're prepared for a test is knowing whether you can teach the information. I don't know if you've ever heard this, but the best way to know whether you really know something is if you can teach it. So I'm going to show you how to teach nursing topics. You're going to know exactly how I do it for class so that you know how to do it. And that's how you'll know you're ready for your next test. I'm going to show you examples of teaching. I'm going to give you several different nursing topics, and I'm going to walk you through what teaching those topics would look like so that you know exactly what you need to do to teach. And then I'm going to show you a system for answering NCLEX style questions. Oh my goodness, NCLEX style questions. They are a treat, aren't they? All story problems, all of them have multiple right answers, it feels like. So I'm going to show you a method that's tried and true for walking through those questions to make sure you select the right answer, the best right answer, so that you don't have to be worried about taking those tests. I find that so many of my students, they will really know the information, and yet because of test anxiety, they get overwhelmed, they get distracted, and they mess up. I don't want that to happen to you. So I'm going to teach you a way to approach your test questions so that anxiety will not be a factor, so that you can answer those questions, get them right every time, and get that A you're looking for. So in Module 3, you're going to learn the secrets to confident test taking. In Module 4, I'm going to show you the secrets to time management, communication, and organization. Making time stretch. What an awesome skill to have. I'm going to show you how to fit everything into that week, whether it's studying for a test, going to clinicals, and even including some social life. I'm going to make sure that your week includes everything that it needs to for you to be a healthy, happy nursing student. I'm going to show you how to make time stretch. I'm going to show you how to get organized for success. We're going to talk about what should be in your clinical bag, what should be in your school bag, what you should do with all those handouts that you're given so that you know exactly where things are. I'm going to show you all the best strategies that I picked up from my students that are all type A and very organized. I'm going to show you how to talk to your professor. You know that test question that's really bothering you? You feel like maybe you should have gotten it right? I'm going to show you how to write that email that's going to change your professor's mind. I'm going to walk you through the kind of communication that will open doors for you when it comes to your professors, other administrators, and your classmates. I'm going to walk you through admission and progression. I'm going to show you the steps of getting through nursing school so that you don't waste any time. I want you to get through this degree as quickly and efficiently as possible. So I'm going to show you all the best strategies, all the secrets that other students use to make sure they graduate on time. If you've had a failure, I'm going to show you what to do with that. If you've ever had to experience dismissal, I'm going to show you what to do with that too. With my process, you're going to get back into that nursing program and you're going to finish. And then we're going to walk through those self-limiting beliefs. How many times have I said this to myself? Oh, if I don't like clinicals, maybe I shouldn't be a nurse. That's absolutely false. We're going to talk about all of the biggest myths in nursing school and exactly what the truth is. I want you to know the truth so that when those things pop up, you know what to do. In Module 4, we're going to talk about the secrets to time management, communication, and organization. In Module 5, I'm going to show you the secrets to mastering life as a nursing student. Did you know you could have a life while in nursing school? I'm going to show you exactly how that's going to happen for you. My very best students are the ones that have figured out that balance between nursing school and life, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. We're going to talk about finding your why. Why are you doing this? Have you stopped to think about that? Because that has everything to do with your ability to finish. We're going to talk about self-talk. What are you saying to yourself? What are those words in your head that you're hearing right now? How do you talk to yourself? It really matters. What about self-care? I know you've heard of the topic self-care, but are you doing it? So often we don't practice what we preach. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. I'm going to show you how to take care of your body, how to take care of your mind, how to take care of your emotions, and how to take care of your soul. You're going to feel like a complete person all through nursing school with this system. So in Module 5, you're going to learn the secrets to mastering life as a nursing student. Secrets to Mastering Nursing School is for you if you're passionate about becoming a nurse. If you're tired of grinding away at the hours of studying, wondering if you're doing all the right things and studying all the right information. It's for you if you want the time and location flexibility and financial freedom that comes with being a nurse. It's for you if you're tired of reading thousands of flashcards and wondering why your brain is struggling to retain all this information. It's for you if you don't want to sink thousands of dollars into struggling through nursing school, potentially failing or even having to retake a course. And it's for you if you're willing to put in the work. It's not for you if you're expecting a magic pill. It just doesn't work that way. There is no magic pill you can take to pass nursing school. It's not for you if you want results without any effort. You're still going to be working hard. You're just going to do it with a different strategy. And this strategy is going to make all the difference. Secrets to Mastering Nursing School is not another NCLEX cheat sheet. Instead, it's an evidence-based approach to how students learn. It's going to show you how you learn. It's going to give you an actionable plan for how you can use these strategies to gain total confidence and better grades. And you're going to do it all with less studying, less time, and less stress. It's paired with some helpful bonuses and checklists that are going to give you a little bit of homework along the way, but it's going to make sure that it really sinks in for you. And hopefully you're starting to see just how powerful this program is. Secrets to Mastering Nursing School is made up of 26 core videos, hours of step-by-step study plans, training, checklists, and downloads. It contains the bonus concept map critiques, 4 videos that teach the difference between a concept map that gets A's, B's, C's, or D's. The bonus Nursing Skills Success, videos and checklists on how to focus your energy in clinicals, checkoffs, and simulations. And get a personalized video critique on one of your concept maps. Get personal coaching calls to get you through some of your most difficult topics. From struggling through nursing school to total daily confidence, this program is your step-by-step solution to getting through nursing school. The reason I am so passionate is because nurses spend between $40,000 and $120,000 just for a nursing degree. I don't want you to fail any classes. I don't want you to waste thousands of dollars, and I don't want your graduation to be delayed. We need nurses now, and I'm going to help you get there. I believe in you so much that this program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, completely 100% risk-free. Over 5,000 students have become nurses using these techniques. I know that if you put these techniques into practice, I guarantee you, you're going to make a difference in your grades. I know this will work for you if you implement it today. To make it an easy yes, work through the course, follow the checklists, and use every bonus. Put in the work, and if you don't love it, send me an email and I'll refund you immediately. No questions asked. Just send me an email and I'll refund your money. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can succeed. Get instant access to this life-changing training. Don't waste another minute rereading pages from your textbook or building flashcards that just don't work. Click the button, join us, and save yourself hours and hours of frustration. I'm looking forward to working with you.